Hello. Do you like saving money? DIYing on a budget? Doing it yourself? Duping those high-end decors? Then I've got a pumpkin video for you today. Yay! Do you ever see one of those inspirations where you just have to drop everything and just do it? That's how I felt this week when I was watching Jamie's at Simple Roots, Simple Living DIY channel. She was doing a fall inspired porch decor, and she had some pumpkins in there, and I just had to do it. I dropped everything, had to do it. That's where my inspiration piece is from. Mine didn't turn out the same, but hey, I love mine just the same. I'm participating in a challenge today. Today's challenge is an inspired fall Halloween DIY. You get inspired, you take an inspiration from Facebook, Pinterest, YouTube, wherever you want, and you try to dupe it. Today, I would like to thank the host, Elena at Elena Jenkins DIY. She has a great channel. You need to check her out. She's so cute. And I would like to thank the co-host, Linda at FaithChick777's DIY by Design. She has a great channel, lots of DIYs. Go check her out. like to thank the host, Elena, the co-host, Linda, and my inspiration, Jamie. So much fun today. Love you, bye. You need to ring my bell. You need to get the notifications so you can see what's all coming up this week. I have 3 exciting videos. One is inspired by a Halloween movie. One is an easy decor item. And what's the other one? I hit 1,000 subs this week. So I have an exciting giveaway. I have an exciting challenge, an open invite. So stay tuned. Love you. Bye.